Hey man, what you doing with that thing right there, boy? What you doing with that thing?
Picking up rocks. Picking up rocks. And I will try to pick up rocks, boy. Hey, that shit squat.
Hey, hit a little. Yeah. Yeah, active. Some heat, big bro.
I think I'm rolling.
Mr. Visual's the best cameraman in the city.
Yeah.
Blico Blame. Wendigo.
13 shots in this bitch like Harden. Y'all know the beat hit on Harden. Yeah, I know that these niggas be talking, but I know that these niggas ain't body sorry. Come my face, be cautious. 13 shots in this bitch like Harden. And I know the bitch hit, I'm wildin'. Rollin' a pack, I'm in straight from New Orleans. Said no, you know who I'm calling. Missing my brothers, I wish I could call them. Get it gone just as fast as he coming. Back on the floor, gotta get it, no stalling. I've been staying low, I've been in my bag, last time I'm ball. I do this shit all, then this shit is regular, but do the yard. I've been on the gas, barely getting sleep, do this shit from hard.
Bro, what's up YouTube? You already know what's going on, bro. It's your boy Ayo, if you didn't know, coming at y'all another video. So today, man, like I say, I'm gonna tell y'all two things, bro. Two crazy things, bro. One crazy thing is I got a ticket today, as y'all can see, for some bull stuff. Got a ticket today, charge it to the game. And another crazy thing is, bro, show them that I had a full tank of gas. We drove like an hour away. It did pretty good, bro. Like I wasted like a quarter tank. Did pretty good. But as y'all can see my boy right there, man. You about to go turn up with your boy. Make sure y'all subscribe to my boy SRT Car, bro. He going crazy, bro. YouTube going up, dog. YouTube going up. But we about to go to the little meet. It's supposed to be a cruise. Supposed to be going to the DragStrip. So I don't know if we going to the DragStrip. I don't know. I'm gonna see what they want to do and everything. But for sure, we go get some clips. You know what I'm saying? Of the cars over there. And you know what I'm saying? The cruise and everything. We'll try to get some runs in. You did. Dig that. But with all that being said, man, we about to go to the spot, man. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, bro. Y'all make sure y'all turn up with your boy in this video, and I'll see you there. Yes, sir, man. Let's get it. Hey, bro, I ain't about to lie, dog. Before we get there, dog, boy, almost, hey, what my boy say? I almost had to roll the credits real quick before we even make it there. I thought I had my thing in neutral trying to show out. Nigga, I just sat there, had the thing in drive, bro. Almost rear-ended him, no homo. In the back, bro. Roll the credits, my nigga. That's crazy as hell, bro. That's crazy. Take it off, nigga. That nigga take it off. That nigga take, hey. This nigga going around the curve going like a, damn. This nigga wildin'. This nigga wildin'. Why my boy trying to lose me in traffic like that? Like, come here. Like, I won't do it to you. Like, I won't do it to you, nigga. Nah, his thing pretty fast though. I ain't about to cap. I don't know where this thing at though. Like, hold on, let me get on the side, man. Look at this dude right here, bro.
Hey, they not ready.
Hey man, what you doing with that thing right there, boy?
Ready, bro.
What you doing with that thing?
Picking up rocks. Picking up rocks. And I will try to pick up rocks, boy. Hey, that shit squat.
Hey, hit a little. Yes, sir. My nigga said kicking up rocks. You gonna try to leave me. Watch this. You gonna try to leave me. Watch this. house, dog. This nigga shit is screaming. Oh, we passed it. Well, UP news. Hey, no cap, bro. Hold on, bro. So the whole time, I didn't even know they parked over here. Bro, we did all that right there, bro. We look like some head asses coming through this, bro. Like, these niggas like, oh, these niggas some fucking head asses, bro. Like, these niggas just sat there and did all that shit. I didn't even know these niggas was over here like that. That's crazy. But it is what it is, bro. That come with the game. Now I don't even want to hop out the car no more because I'm like embarrassed as but hey, it is what it is, bro. All these damn cars lined up, bro. That's crazy. This is my boy Jay right here, bro. Nice to meet you, bro. Nice to meet you, Bodie. Bro, I came over here. I'm like, dog, we over here.
I know. We was smashing down this street right here.
Did you know it was right here?
Yeah, I saw like this one right here, but I didn't see all of them right here.
Bro, I was like,
I didn't see all them.
Bro, when we pulled up, bro, I'm like, damn.
Oh, me.
He look crazy as doing that shit. That's wild as hell. The GTR line. But hey, but no cap, bro. I don't care what nobody say. You best believe I'm getting some runs in. My car ain't no hoe. I'm not no hoe. Nigga, I don't care if you got wheels or not, nigga. I'm going in. You saying? Boy, I probably got the slowest nigga. GTR pull up, let's run that hoe, nigga. Let's run that hoe. We doing it for the content out here, nigga. You did.
I didn't see that in person. That shit.
So they brought some heat out. Nigga, like I said, I ain't running for nothing. Nigga pull up on the side of me, let's run that hoe. Yeah, I ain't running. I don't care if you blow the doors off my stuff, nigga. I don't care about none of that, nigga. Bro, the B-Line, hope you grip on that. Don't hit no asphalt or nothing, nigga. Nah, we both going down with that shit. We hit asphalt, it's over with. You racing today, bro? You gonna hop on the track? I ain't hopping on the track, bro. You? Hell no. Hey, like I said, I'm gonna get the content for these boys. I would hop on the track, but y'all don't understand, bro.
Y'all don't get it, man. Y'all don't get it. We ain't getting paid yet from this YouTube shit yet, y'all. So you know.
Y'all can kiss my A. We got the ZL1 right here, bro, for everybody right here. That's hard. Yes, sir. You got that. What is that? That's a 392? I thought that nigga pulled up in a Demon, but I was like, I seen the hood. Look at show me. Nigga got it down. Pipe his exhaust too.
And he don't got a license plate. I just realized that.
That nigga's living life on the edge all the way, bro. He has no license plate, no nothing, bro. Nothing. Hey, bro. I guess everybody finna slide out, bro. So y'all can see everybody about to turn up. Finna be a freeway takeover, bro. We got cats, we got all that.
Yes, sir. We got everything we name up.
Yes, sir.
Let's go.
Y'all can see everybody about to slide out. Finna slide this way. Yes, sir. Getting active. Hey, man. Say, man. This what y'all wanted, ain't it? This what y'all wanted, ain't it? Y'all wanted to see some heat? Finna give y'all some heat, big bro. Finna give y'all some heat. Hey, am I in the right mode? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Finna get active right where they at. Let's go, man. Let's go. Yes, sir. Take it on my film. Loud cars on the freeway. Hey, we got my boy coming up. Sliding, bro. That's crazy, bro. Got your boy Drake right there. That's tough. Yes, sir. Yeah! People out here going crazy. That nigga almost bust my eardrums, bro. My nigga car in the building, yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir. The BRZ boys. The BRZ boys. We got the ZRZ boys. Hey, we got the Hyundai out here going crazy. We got the Hyundai out here going crazy. Oh, we got the little Mero. Little Mero, this nigga went straight. Let me call this dude, bro. My phone at. Hey, boy, where you going, my guy?
I missed the exit.
Where you going?
Shit, I don't know. I gotta turn around or something.
Damn, bro. Hey, I'm like, bro, where is this nigga going?
Oh my gosh, bro, I missed the fucking exit.
Nigga, we going crazy on this bitch.
Wow.
My nigga, but guess what, nigga? I don't give a nigga. I do not care. We out here going dumb, nigga. We out here going dumb. Like I said, hey man, make sure y'all follow me on the Instagram, bro. Ayootjvidz, dog. Going dumb. You know what I'm saying? We lit. Niggas on my ass. Oh, they going at it. We gonna need new brakes by tonight, nigga.
Stop the cap.
Hey, he gonna turn the lights on me? Run that back. No. He gonna turn the lights on me for sure. 2, 3. Come on. Hey, dog. I'm not even about to cap on that, bro. He was about to get my ass though. I ain't about to, if he ain't have a manual, that turbo was spewing up, he was about to get my ass, bro. On G. Hey, no count, this nigga about to blow me out the water. This nigga about to blow me out the water. Stay straight though. You ready? 1, 2, 3. My shit bought, not built. 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 He just did me dirty. He just did me dirty. Hey, bro, like I said, it's all funny games, bro. We all out here having fun. Wasting gas. I just put $80 in. You did? But $80 in here is already gone. It is what it is though, brother. Just trying to get to the little speedway. I'ma see, I might get y'all some clips. Hopefully, bro, we ain't going too fast. Hopefully you'll be able to hear. Cause like I said, bro, it's like hella windy. I'm hitting like crazy speeds. Hey, bro, so we on our way to Irwindale Speedway, dog. It's like 4 of us. Hey, show 'em real quick. Hold on, hey, get this real quick. Get this real quick. Disrespect the cat like that, bro. Come on, bro. Don't do that in the... Come on, bro. Not in the 300, bro. Not in the 300. I feel you, dog. Don't let that... You wanted to get it, bro. Hey, that adrenaline mess you up, my guy. Hey, but everybody, it was like 4 of us, bruh. The dude with a Hellcat, the dude with a GTR. I'm about to chill out, though. I'm not about to keep racing you, my guy. You can get off my bumper.
Few inches later.
Want to go again? I'm gonna put it in 500. I'm gonna put it in 5. All right, you ready? 1, 2, 3. Hey, that was 500, bro. You did good. That was 5. Good stuff, bro. I feel it. Hey, boy, going crazy. Woo! This stuff lit, though. This stuff lit. Boy, this thing ready to go, man. But yeah, man. So look, I'm really supposed to be cruising over here, bro. I'm not trying to waste no more gas or nothing, dog. Real talk. But everybody went to the wrong direction, so we on our way over here, man. Finna go meet up with these boys, bro. SRT Kai, he said he like 16 minutes away. He should. Well, that was like probably like 20 minutes ago. He probably already up here. I took the wrong turn, so you know, we gonna see you when we get to the freeway. I don't know if I'm gonna get on the track today. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Probably look, there it is right there. It's hard, bro. But yeah, man, I don't know if I'm gonna get on the track today. Probably watch everybody else go out there and go crazy, bro. I don't really want to, you know what I'm saying? Kind of babying it right now. You know, that ain't what a Hellcat used for, but I don't care what y'all talking about, nigga. Y'all ain't paying my bills, so. With all that being said, man, we gonna see when we get to the freeway, bro. I don't know if y'all can see, but bro, it's jam-packed up there, bro. I don't know how we finna get in here. That's crazy, bro. My little baby did good today, man. Like I said, bro. My car is bought, not built. How many times did I tell him we gonna meet him over there, bro? And I keep recording. I don't know. That's what y'all want the content. Hey, like I said, bro, my car is bought, not built. 717 is perfect, bro. More than enough power. So we gonna keep it at that. you know what I'm saying? We gonna keep it at that. We finna go see these boys racing and everything, man. Like I said, it was pretty chill. I had fun today. I said everybody showing up. Everybody trying to get into the speedway. Go crazy, you know?
Did you get inside?
You said what happened, bro?
Did you get inside?
Nah, you ain't yet?
Nah, I'm in the line. Where you at? You by the gate?
Bro, nah, bro, I'm not, dude, I'm still, bro, I'm at a light, bro, in traffic, bro.
Wait, did you just get off the freeway?
Bro, we went to the wrong spot.
Oh, you at the light, so you behind me. I just passed the light.
I just told YouTube that, bro, like, bro, you probably already there, bro. I just said
Nah,
that.
yeah, I'm there, but I'm not that far, like, in front of you. I'm like, I'm just moving up past the light.
Yeah.
The first, cause you just got off the exit, right?
Nah, bro, we like literally, damn, bro, what the hell? YouTube, look, man, if y'all made it this far, man, first of all, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment if y'all with it. We about to hit a part 2 for it, like I say, bro. It's dead, it's gonna take a while to get in here and everything. I gave y'all some, hey, we were basically cutting up in traffic, bro. Drake built, had all this good content, man. Make sure y'all like it up. Like for part 2, bro. Like it up for part 2, man. Part 2 on the way too, bro. For sure. But with all that being said, man, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment. It's your boy Ayo. Hey, man, this your boy Ayo, man. Leaving out with another video, bro. Peace.